In this video, I will show you how to claim one win bonus. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you to create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo code, you're going to use the promo code Renzo7. If you use the promo code Renzo7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So when to claim one win bonus, what you have to do is after logging to your one win account, scroll to the bottom, and you've created an account using the bonus promo code I gave you. Scroll to the bottom and you're going to see this welcome bonus. Once you come over to welcome bonus, just click on get it now. Once you click on get it now, they're going to ask you to deposit money. Once you deposit money, the money is going to be deposited to your one win account, and you're also going to get a 500 coin bonus after depositing money. And that's how to claim one win bonus. Very, very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.